Well, hello there.
And this is the fourth instalment. This is the fourth narration we've done one after the other.
And here's our palette, our color palette, and the materials we're working with today. It's watermelon soap.
And there's something dancing there. I think it was a piece of melon with legs.
Yeah, there was a dancing melon involved, but I flipped him off the table because he didn't match my watermelons that I made out of soap dough. He was pink. So we're just adding lye water solution to our oils. We're going to stir too much, and then we're going to whiz it up with the whizzy let's get busy thing.
Yeah, I mean, I was saying before that I kind of don't think I know what watermelon smells like. I know what it tastes like.
Well, so this watermelon fragrance is from Island Escape Fragrances, and it did say that, I have it in my notes here, okay? It did say it has the scent of ripe, fresh, sweet watermelon, a blend of fruit, melons, peach, and strawberry with a hint of vanilla, okay? And it also said that it would rice and discolor. So I thought, let's just try this anyway. The vanillin content is 0.25%, so, you know, that's not bad. Now, it says for soap, no acceleration at room temperature, ricing that stick blends out. No separation, and it discolors to a toffee. Very strong scent retention. So let's see what happens when we start mixing, if we get ricing or not. Sorry about all the traffic going by. It's so hot here. We got the window open.
And incidentally, this fragrance smells like banana.
To me, it smells like bubble gum. It's so weird. Like you do smell watermelon, but I think the other fruits in it are kind of, you know, there it is. Making it like, it almost smells like what you want it to.
Yeah.
It's a bit strange, but I like it. So we're going to put a little bit in each color at a time. And guess what happens with the green, folks? It rices, just like it said it would. I think I zoom in here so you can see. There we go. You see all that ricing? But it does blend out. And incidentally, this is strange, it only riced with the green.
Riced?
Riced? Well, see all those chunks like tapioca?
Oh, right, you sort of found like, looks like there's rice in it.
I guess that's why they call it ricing,
yeah.
I mean, I don't know. If anybody knows why they call it ricing, please leave us a comment down below. Learn something new every day. I've never really thought about it.
Yeah, off topic, does anybody remember being young and a doctor used to give you antibiotics and give you the yellow medicine that smelled like banana? And it was so yummy because they wouldn't give you tablets because you was a certain
I had
age.
the orange gross penicillin. Not penicillin, I was allergic to penicillin, so I had something else.
Yeah. I actually once asked the doctor if he could give me the liquid form as an adult, and he went...
as an adult?
I said, oh, come on, please, just love the flavor. He goes, no, that's for kids, you're having the tablets.
That's funny. But I can't swallow tablets, doctor. That's cute. So, bottom layer. Green. Light green for our piping today. No fragrance in the piping, because I don't need any problems, okay?
Yeah, I think the embeds on this are very cushy.
Cushy?
Cushy.
Cushy. What does cushy mean?
Means superb.
Cushy.
On the money.
On the money, cushy.
Class.
Yo. Speaking of yo-yo, we are now watching again the entire series of Breaking Bad. Right from start. Hi, Gabe. We're just narrating. What's up? What's up, Buttercup?
I don't want to be in the video.
Well, you can. It's okay if you have something to ask me. Just anyway. There's our other green. It's supposed to match the piping, but it doesn't look like it's going to at this point.
No.
But guess what? It does. So we add our fragrance to the light green. Use our little
Coffee whisk.
little coffee whisker thing. And because I don't want it to rice, so we're just taking it easy. Well, and plus I can't fit the stick blender in that. But believe it or not, the color does come out the same as the piping. Weird.
I don't remember it. I just remember the embeds.
I just cut it today. This is the one I just cut today. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
So, 2 green layers.
And there's your lovely containers that you love. And
My
you don't
beakers.
want to use anything else ever again.
Nurture soap. It's not really red. It's Nurture soap. What's their other red called?
There's lots of reds.
Lord have mercy. I'm terrible. Sorry, you guys. No, forget it. I'm not going to remember. It's, I don't know, but, Trial by Fire. All of their reds are amazing. Can't say enough about it.
Fire.
Yes, and there's a link in the description box to Nurture soap colors that I use. I get them all the way from the US. It costs a lot, but their jars are big and you don't need much, so it lasts a long time.
Yeah, you get a lot of bang for your buck, as they say.
You do. And the reds cannot be beat. They just can't. So I'm not sure what Gabe wanted, but he left.
That looks like salmon mousse to me, that colour. It's got a bit of pink in it.
Maybe I didn't, I don't know. Didn't put as much TD in it.
Yeah. Anyway, it's very dull today in what's normally known as sunny Canaria.
It's grey, but it's like 30 some odd degrees.
Very muggy.
Oh, it's just, yeah.
Went out in the yard and mozzies, so
yeah,
came back in.
Mosquitoes. So look, there was no ricing in the white. There will be no ricing in the red. And no ricing in the pink. Very strange. Just the green.
It's funny how there's different interactions between different colours and fragrances, isn't there?
Yeah, and I'll tell you something else. It doesn't discolor. It does not discolor to a beige. Once again, my batter got too thick for a nice in the pot swirl. But whatever. Flip it over with your spatula a couple times. Pour it in the mold. It'll be fine.
I mean, anyway, just off topic, we got some moulds for bath bombs.
Oh, from Cata
The
Molds.
bath bomb recipe was so incorrect. It was an absolute nightmare.
Yeah.
We didn't do it, so we've got the correct recipes now.
I went
There's
back to my
something missing, I
original. Look at the mess I'm making. I went back to my original recipe.
It just wasn't binding people. It
No,
just
sorry.
crumbled.
I'm saying that backwards. My original recipe does not work in the Cata Molds. So I went to catamolds.com and got their recipe.
Right.
Made for those molds. So we're going to have another try with that. One is a donut and one is a rubber ducky. They're 3-dimensional and they're great, huge.
Yeah, we didn't waste them. We still just used the powder for the bath, and it's great. But yeah, we're gonna have another crack at that later.
We are, and we're going to record it, and hopefully it works out.
And that's a lovely colour green there.
It matches the green inside perfectly.
It's the kind of green, nice green you'd have in a bathroom, I think.
It is pretty.
Probably get away
It's,
with it in the kitchen if you've got the right theme.
But again, with the OCD and this, I'm going to stop using this piping tip for a while.
I love it.
It looks like, I'm not going to say it again, but it just, it's not, whatever. It's driving me crazy. The little tips at the top, when they turn different directions, I can't deal with it. Again, though, you're putting embeds on top, so the little, tips are going to be gone anyway, but it just drives me crazy.
And now the lovely shimmy.
The Moon biodegradable sparkles. I love them. I've had them for like almost a year and I haven't run out.
Yeah.
These little pots, they're amazing.
And I was wondering why I keep saying shimmy. I'm just taking the mick
Watermelons.
out of Mary Poppins and Dick Van Dyke with his very terrible English accent, which actually sounds Australian.
Yeah, that's true. These are little soap dough watermelons.
These melons are superb. They just look like a melon, don't they? You just
And
bite it
these
right
are
into
little
a melon.
little leaves and balls. We'll say, yeah. I don't know. You don't get balls with watermelons, but I just thought they needed some balls.
It could just be some small random fruit, right?
It could, yeah.
And
Maybe.
you see how the two greens complement each other.
Yeah. Yep.
And I can't wait to see the inside because I can't remember.
It was today.
I know, I can't remember.
I can't even remember, so don't worry about it. There's your close-up.
Yum, 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 yum.
Guys, tell us, should we do a Wednesday off-the-cuff, talk about nothing but crap video?
Topical stuff as well, as you know, I can give some tips
Without-
out. And
without
ask
soap
questions
making.
and whatever.
We can still make it about soap, but without actually making soap on the video.
Just topical, everyday
See, those
nonsense.
greens, they match pretty good. The light greens.
Beautiful. I think we should pick
And
the
for-
topic of the day and talk about that.
Yeah, why don't you guys give us a topic of the day?
Yeah, I'll give us a topic. Could be anything you want.
Anything. Ask us anything.
And here we go, slice.
I got one question once. How do you get him to sit with you and make videos? I can't even get my husband to move a box or something like that. Well, it's because we're best friends as well as soulmates. That's why.
That's right. And you have to do
Gotta
your
have
bit,
your best
you see.
friend.
And you know, it's just being creative. It's a
We like having fun together.
good process.
Anyway.
He says removing the gum from his temple.
Yeah, there you go.
Sorry about that.
We do have our moments, but, you know, it's because we're friends as well. There's a brace.
Mummy, a brace of soap.
Yes, don't eat it. Thanks for watching. Hit that red button and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and hit that like button.
And let us know if you want us to do an off-the-cuff topical conversation.
Yeah,
We'll sort
you
something
know,
out.
live chat or just whatever. Let us know what you think. Okay?
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye.